So in this video I am telling you about the question number 10. The question number 10 is by plotting the following points on the same graph paper, check whether they are collinear or not. Collinear means whether these three points means I am talking about the first part 3, 5, 1, 1, 0, -1, whether they are on the same line or not. If they are in same line, then we can say these 3 points are co-linear. So to find out this thing, we have to draw these points on the graph paper, and then we can conclude whether they are collinear or not. Okay. Now first is we are taking the same graph paper. Okay. Same graph paper, same scale. 2 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Okay, now the first point is question number 10. See, question number 10, 3, 5 means 3 is x coordinate and 5 is y coordinate. So 3, because one box, see this complete box 2 centimeter is equal to 2 unit. So 2 is this, and 2 to 4, 2 is here. So in middle point here, this will be 3, I think. I am taking it as a x. Okay, x, this is 3. Okay, this is 3 and 5. 3, 5. So this is 4. See, this is 4 and the middle point, suppose this one. So this x will be 3, 5. Okay, and the next is question number 10. See, next is 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1 means this is 2. So this will be 1. So x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is also 1. So this one, y, this is 1, 1. Okay, next is see 0, -1. 0, -1. 0 is this and -1 is this. This is x. See, this is x, this point, this is y, and the third is this one, 0, -1. Suppose this is z. If you see it, if you draw the line with the scale, okay, if you draw the line with the scale, I think that will be on the same line. If they are coming, you draw with the scale, use the scale. If they are coming on the same line, so we can say these are, sorry, I have drawn wrongly. See, from this one, point is here. See, so this is a rough one. So we are finding here all the three coordinates, z 0, -1, and this one 0, -1, and second is 1, 1. This is 1, 1. This is 1, 1, y, and this is 0, -1. Sorry, 3, 5. This is 3, 5. So if we are joining them, so we are finding that all the x, z, y and x are on the same line. So we can say this is a collinear. Okay. The second question you have to do on the same way. Student, you have to do these questions. You have to complete the exercise 26A. If you have any doubt, you can send your doubts with the comments in Google Classroom. Okay, so I will solve your problems and I will send back to you by Saturday evening.